In this video, I will talk you through US versus English crochet terms. The yarn we're using today is our Jersey Be Good yarn in the jog grey colourway. Here at Wool and the Gang, we use US crochet terms in our patterns. If you're used to English terms, don't worry, it won't take too long for you to get used to the different terminology. What is known as single crochet in US terms looks like this. It's known as double crochet in English terms. US double crochet is a taller version of single crochet and looks like this. This stitch is known as treble crochet according to English terms. To put it simply, the English equivalent is always one value higher. For example, US single is English double, US half double is English half treble, US double is English treble, and US treble is English double treble, and so on. So there you have it. That's a quick explanation of US versus English crochet terms.